Good morning student. My name is Manoj Sharma. So today we will start the next chapter of science, microorganism. This is the second lesson. So in this chapter, first of all, I will start the introduction. In the introduction, what are the microorganisms? Microorganisms are those organisms which cannot be seen by our naked eyes. They are present everywhere in our environment. They can exist in much adverse conditions of high or low temperature, high or low moisture, in the presence or absence of oxygen, on fertile land or barren land. They form cyst around themselves. Cyst is some kind of a covering, you can say. So it means they are present everywhere, even where the temperature is very high, very low, where the moisture content is very low, very high, in the absence or presence of oxygen. Everywhere they are present. There are 5 types of microorganisms which we will study one by one. First is bacteria, second algae, third protozoa, then fungi, and last is virus. We will study one by one. Bacteria, they are very small microbes and are unicellular. Unicellular means their body is made up of only one cell. One bacteria divide and convert into 2 in 10 to 30 minutes. There are 250 crore bacteria present in 1 gram of garden soil. So you can imagine how numerous in a very small area. Bacteria, they are of different shape depending upon their different shape. They have a different name. If they are rod shaped, the name is, they are called as bacilli. If they are spherical, they are called cocci. If they are spiral, they are called spirilla. Next type of organisms are algae. They are simple plant-like organisms that have cell wall. Cell wall is the characteristic of plants also. So algae are like plants in some of the characters, you can say. They can be unicellular or multicellular. They make their own food with the help of chlorophyll, which already I told, and by the process named photosynthesis. They have no root, stem or leaves. They have a flat structure called thallus. They are found in snow, some in hot spring. They grow in moist soil, bark of trees and rock surface. They often grow in water and on the surface of wet rock. Some algae are Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, Fucus, Laminaria. These are the different kind of algae. Now the next kind of microorganisms are protozoa. They are unicellular organisms. They have a characteristic like animals. They can move from one place to another place. They capture and eat food. Some protozoa live in fresh or salt water. Some live in soil. Some live in the body of others. They are called parasites. Like some living in our body also. Amoeba, Paramecium, Trypanosoma. These are the example of protozoa. Next kind of microorganisms are fungi. They are plant-like organisms that do not have chlorophyll. They may be unicellular or multicellular. They are yeast, you can say, and molds. Yeast are unicellular, where bread mold is multicellular. There are 2 types of fungi. One is yeast, one is mold. Mushroom are large multicellular fungi. Fungi cannot prepare their own food. When they depend upon the others, they are getting their food from dead decaying organic matter. They are called saprophyte. When they are living in the body of other organisms, they are called parasites. So they either live as parasite or as a saprophyte. So fungi are present everywhere, from desert to every cold region. They grow best in dark, warm and moist places. Some fungi already I told, penicillin, mushroom, rhizobus, bread mold, which you have seen in the introduction. Yeast, they will grow by budding. Next is virus, very dangerous. It's a connective link between living and non-living. When they are outside the body, they are non-living. When they are inside the body, they are living. They are a thread between the living and non-living. They are smallest microorganism, most dangerous of out of the five. They don't have same cellular structure like other microbes. They can be seen by a very powerful microscope. The name is electron microscope, which can magnify the object more than 200,000 times. Virus cannot reproduce by themselves. For that they require energy to grow. So this indicates they are not living. When they enter the living cell or organism, say human, they start reproduction, they start reproducing, start growing. So after the formation of thousands of virus, the host cell often die. So it means they are living inside the organism, they are not living outside the organism, and they are always pathogenic. They create disease in us. So SARC, HIV, and this coronavirus, these all are the type of a virus, you can say, which are very dangerous. The reason why they are dangerous, because they will use the parts or material of our body and affect us. If we discover a vaccine and apply on human, then that vaccine can create a problem to us also. So that's why it's very difficult to make a disease, it's very difficult to make that kind of a vaccine which can affect only on the virus. So virus cannot reproduce by themselves, they require host cell, as I told. So viruses are placed as a link between living and non-living. Bacteriophage, adenovirus, human immunodeficiency virus. So this is all about this type of a microorganism. In the next part, I will tell about the uses or benefits of microorganism. Thank you.